is Mohita. I've done my MPT from Manipal University, presently working with Apollo College of Physical Therapy. I'm an assistant professor over there. I would first of all like to thank Dr. Het Desai, Dr. Sunita and Dr. Dhara for conducting this beautiful workshop. Being a 21st century woman, I was unaware of so many things. We struggle through a lot just because we are helpless. We don't have sources of information. We don't know whether we can deal with it. This workshop has enlightened me in a very magnificent way. It has helped me to understand my important body part which I never was aware of. I understood the importance of each and every part of it. I understood how to deal with it. And it was really beautiful on the entire team's effort to try to organize the workshop in a way that went so systematically and smoothly, training each and every therapist in a way that they are able to understand and become confident and go to the next level. I'm surely looking forward to all your further workshops and I would love to be a part of it. Thank you so much.